Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections, Flowers and Vegetables. Today I want to profile the Just Sweet Pepper. It's a 2019 All America Selections winner. The breeder is Seminus Home Garden. And it's a beautiful, compact, sturdy plant. Gets about 3 feet tall. There's at least 16 to 20 peppers on here right now. I did snack on a few, took a couple off, but I wanted to leave them on so you could just see the number of peppers that are going to grow on this, very compact and bushy plant. It's perfect for your containers, won't take up a lot of space in your garden. But just look at all these beautiful orange-yellow peppers. They start out obviously green. They'll get a nice yellow color. You can pick them then. Or if you leave them on, they're going to get this beautiful orange color. I'll harvest these and just show you everything that came off of here. The Just Sweet is a beautiful pepper, perfect size for stuffing. I actually like to stuff this with panko breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and chopped up jalapenos. And I just bake it or grill it briefly so it softens up a little bit. Just beautiful peppers, great addition to your garden. This is the Escamillo pepper, it's a bullhorn type. I did a profile on that, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and you can get all these different plant profiles for plants, vegetables, fruits, and even flowers that you may like to use in your garden. I like the simplicity of the name. It tells you exactly what you're getting. A very sweet mini bell pepper type. They'll be about 1.5 inches to 3 inches long, 4 lobes like a bell pepper, and they'll weigh anywhere from 1.5 to 2 ounces. Just a beautiful plant. Not having any disease issues, no insect issues, no problems whatsoever. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant. You're going to see why it won an award when you plant it in your garden. This pepper is going strong, middle of August. New peppers are coming in. And I'm going to get at least 25 sweet orange miniature bell peppers out of here. I think this will keep going strong until the frost comes and takes it. Please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any ads. We just provide great plant profiles and garden videos to help you out in your garden. Thanks so much for watching.